Log1c ICS is our perpetual inventory system that gives you a comprehensive view of your business, allowing you to keep your facility organized, efficient, and profitable. Increase productivity and maximize space in a streamlined, organized stockroom where necessary materials are available when needed. No more halts to production. Scan products out of inventory by technician or department and generate a suggested order based on preset stock levels. Inventory on-hand counts are automatically updated when items are delivered. Replenish only what is used, no more, no less. Track valuable inventory dollars with technician usage snapshots and inventory valuation reports on demand. Increase revenue to your shop with a supplemental invoicing tool that instantly allows you to document and get paid for those not included items that often get overlooked on a repair order. ROs and insurers can be quickly added so the front office can create an itemized invoice with our NCS or SSI logo on it, or techs in the shop can scan products straight to the RO for invoicing. The use of kits for common repairs, such as bumper, fender, and quarter panel jobs, are easy to use and a huge time saver by adding multiple items immediately. And no need to worry that our MSRP is current. Unlike other programs, our purchasing department knows well in advance when a manufacturer is putting a price increase into effect, so all pricing updates in Log1c are immediate. Log1c ICS has been trusted in the collision repair industry for over a decade with proven results.